Good morning, everyone. The poems for today are three beautiful poems written by William Blake. The first one on the list is The Smile. There is a smile of love, and there is a smile of deceit, and there is a smile of smiles, in which these two smiles meet. And there is a frown of hate, and there is a frown of disdain, and there is a frown of frowns, which you strive to forget in vain. For it sticks in the heart's deep core, and it sticks in the deep backbone, and no smile that ever was smiled, but only one smile alone, that betwixt the cradle and grave it only once smiled can be, and when it once is smiled, there's an end to all misery. Thank you. I hope you liked this poem. Let us quickly move on to the next poem on the list. A Poison Tree. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath. My wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. My wrath did grow. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. And I sunned it with smiles, and with soft, deceitful wiles. And it grew both day and night, till it bore an apple bright. And my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine, and into my garden stole, when the night had veiled the pole. In the morning, glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. Thank you. I hope you liked this poem. The last poem on the list, which is definitely not the least, is The Tiger. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forests of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? In what distant deeps or skies burnt the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare he aspire? What hand dare seize the fire? And what shoulder and what art could twist the sinews of thy heart? And when thy heart began to beat, what dread hand and what dread feet? What the hammer? What the chain? In what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil? What dread grasp dare its deadly terrors clasp? When the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he, who made the lamb, make thee? Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forests of the night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? Thank you. I hope you liked this poem and all the other three poems. The picture on the screen is of the poet William Blake. He was an English poet, and the date when he was born and the date when he passed away is written on the screen. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do like the page on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye. See you.